My people, no be small thing, no. As e be right now, they say that Ikenga Uruagu. They say the guy don't come outside though. Go explain. He said the person where they see for that video, we buy those 3 boys. He said they carry in their kala, go they collect something from people. He said the person where they go do that thing, he said the person where do that thing. Yes, we do that thing. He said na gentle. Gentle one I know will be the leader of Biafra Liberation Army, Commander Gentle. I'll play you the video, may you hear. And hear the ones where the Arise TV talk and other people talk for the matter. But my people, I go play the video of the situation in villages in Igboland right now. And after the videos where you go watch, you get what you want talk. May you stay to the end.
And by Tenemon Afambo, Ikenga Uruagu, Ihem Binyonobo, the story behind the mother Tano and Gentle Babu. Imana, the video, Ineanya as a human being. Ige nwe sympathy nke iji wee bụrụ mmadụ nyere ụmụaka anụnwa Gentle gbagburu ọ bụ obodo dịrị mkpu ha tiri mgbe agbara ha egbe ịma na most of them na-eme ife ịgwọ ọgwụ anụnwa mgbe agbara ha egbe nne ha anya ka ha tie arọbụnago but none of them shouted arọbụnago ife nụrụ n'ọnụ ha bụ Jesus because na ha ma na Jesus bụ the only hope. Now, can I go make if man on that video? Like I said, a whole lot of people in the video and why I say, can you fed you about woman's a man? Emalone have the man mellow that belly. Now, can you mellow? If I know a bow, Omo Gentle, Hancherine because, or Gahan, and a hero, no under Gentle. Man, only one tradition about this criminal. So we hear an forget if I know a Gentle Putane, only his neighbor enjoy you, my Tony also enjoy him, mama. No. All about Igboland because normally how they bring people will enjoy Igboland with a return. So it's all about a with a return or a with a return. If a belabona, if I bo ever sign or two hero, only hero, we bullet illegally without a hero behind it, where all on care because Omazia with enough money behind how he decides that Kahaja call it. Imana normally. Ije call hit kocha nata iye onyo organic ihe ni no weta mana no o maza de kocha the heat where park ya ihe ni na ha weta ye me ho ntu has a men at their camp or if I don't want na that every time has the operation e bido na eme video na eti mpa na ozona mpa na kwi azụta mpa na kwi fa azụta o maza ni na anya ntu esi we bo obi ebele na eme gburu mmadu. Yes, now the story book has to be mad. You own webe ha galohi and to one man ha galohi and the hammer to that man 400,000. Mbe hammer to the man they gonna put the man ebo madi and the man when it go. Where born table their leader that 1 year where boy njoko or nyama na me fanoma. So immediately njoko for now the job a cast go. If njoko message that boy you na anya year akona magic if flavor abo ekwensu makanika mama ihe njoko mezebo otodo gbalo the man tebe bobu the man hammer to the man 400,000 bonus on that machine with that phone has it man mgbe azute chi eni na nwa mgbe ha gba the man egbe ndi otu ha no kwa side ahụ gbapụta bido chuma ha jide ha mgbe jidezi ha njoko na ndo tie we gba no na has from hero no maka be hero ka be ihe nda nwa mesebo they now free them mana ha jeze agba ha report. So when the cousin na ndo tie bori here when instead of them to declare if a house there had decided a packet that one ha talk and this hafo mana ha ma no zia be go off from there goes this way lozia Gentle akagentu way jebe na dia camp because normally that camp eba ha camp Gentle jeba onye obuna no side na agbafu because Gentle na-egbu ha gbogo enwe ike Gentle luteketa nno no fefe Gentle asisi buta afa ka agba afa onwa dibia agbacha afa Gentle asi na onye abusabo Gentle atotoro ya gbuo mana nke bụ eziokwu ndị Gentle na-egbu onye ọbụla ọfụ ya bụ a threat to him ọbụrụ na ọ na-egbu na onwe ihe ime ọbụrụ na ọ na-egbu na ebosabo ọbụrụ na ọ na-egbu na dara ejoshi ozile ma obi na ejoshi nke gị because ebe ahụ ijoshi nke gị is a crime mana ijoshi nke ezuyere is not a crime. Now mgbe ndị anụnwa bata ha park ihe niile ha ekweghị egosi Gentle wee jee the place ọnya nwa bụ what happened Gentle kpọpụtazi ha ajụba ajụjụ ịwọchi mgbe ọ na-ajụ ha jụọ ha ebe ahụ ha jere ọ bụ dia this thing asị mba ọ jụọ ka ọ ga ha mana ha jee ebe ahụ akọ ihe akọ before you know it tem gentle bawru hatre wasa. So here choke malabo, don't feel sorry for them. Don't feel sorry. I was not say no. If he for that devil, it's like he used the devil, devil. So he here and I pray if we continue among them because open you on this yunan gebu. Na anya oburo no we email. Oburo ni jero shi haziri uje. Oburo kwa no nwere ifoji me ifefa na emebo anytime ha fota as a threat. He gbuogi so ekwe na ka ha gbuogi kama ha ga-egbugi eto na ogbu ha. Onu bụ ndị na-esogharị njem makeup na kwa ọbụrụgo brigadier general otu ụbọchị kịta n'ọtọ ọnụ egbe gbuo gị ị ga-anọ na-eme ka o gbuo gị bifo igbuo ya ịbụrụ onye mụ ihe and ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ isi na that camp pụta ịtụtara egbe gbuo onye bụ onye isi unu from igbu onye isi unu and you will get your liberation isi ebe ahụ pụta ịgbadelu government will welcome you and reintegrate you to the society solibe gị because ama na most of you abụrụ na ị chọọ iso ha. But simply because they were a choice, all that you do is on a camp. So, upon nature, you know, there, man, have forced you to stay there. If you get able, it do only soon and the makeup for now. Upon also call no mamma, why when they teach you, why when they teach you, oh, you will regret yourself. A wapata, but then get the police. When the police have they will welcome you and they will cry for you. So, continue nebuno one and udo gather on in and then you could cut over.
Lekwa na anya o ndị bịa n'iru akwụkwọ na-ajụ afọ ise ka ọ ka na-azụzikwa lekwa na afọ ise ka ebe a lekwanụ dị great afọ ise ka ebe a lee na-ekete ndị mmadụ ọ ga-ana ebe atala ndị nwere ike ịbụ ndị na-eche na ọ ga-adị mma ka ha bịa. This is millions of goods inside. Lee ya Zekeba skate industry. Lee ya ebe a everywhere they shut down. What afia azụ let the whole shop locked up. Len ya sin na window to a si enyu e ko nusko to anyoye. You know I have one afi seke market. This market that we are looking at like this serves more than 10 towns, including Ebonesia and some other towns outside Anambra like Obolo, Nempi, Amago, and the host of others. Amoma. These are their what do I call it? Auxiliary market. Look at it. 1 second number. Oh yeah, the ha. Len ya tin na window you know 1 second market. Len ya ndị na-ajụ ma ọ na-azụzikwa. Obodo asla ndị madrile bụ member ha na-eme. Len na ahịa ha ncha hala ahịa gbafusie. How can all of them be a member and they run away and leave their town like this? Len 1 etola ifia. Una amazikwa ebe dị ife a leenụ afọ iseke market leenụ afọ iseke market leenụ ya ka unu kirie ya ọ ya maka ji na-asị na ọ dị mkpa ka gọvanọ bịa ka ọ fụ were anyị afụ ya ka anyị na-ayọrọ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ SSA ọ na-agbakwa mbọ n'ihe a na-eme na security na Anambra steeti bụ Prince Emekayi yọtara anyị gọvanọ this is your local government too ọ ya maka anyị ji na-ayọ ụmụnanya ndị nọ n'ọchịchị ndị nwere ike ịgwanwe gọvanọ okwu. Let him come and see the extent of the damage in Iseke. Enwere ọlụ n'Iseke. The first thing is to make sure that the insurgents they are out of here and ebido ọlụ n'Iseke. Aka gọọmenti ga-adịrịrị ya. The damages are too much for the community to bear. Aka gọọmenti ga-adịrịrị ya. Ife a abụrụ ife obodo jeenu mara ka ndị ọzọ siri mee jeenu mee nke unu cry your own cry. Government must be here. Government must be here in reconciliation, in reconstruction, and every other thing. Learn our free second market. Learn Euro here on the road. Kagaba ehala. Nka ba we ma here on na fulenia. Yoruba halenia. Igwe Emosakwe road. Aka wola. Wamba fa yoka ajiri bia. Ọlụ atụ egwu nke izizi lekwa ebe ọlụ kposara n'Iseke lekwa ọlụ afọ onye na-edu lekwa ọlụ ị ga-afụ n'Iseke dagharị afọ onye isi anyị na-eche gị biko. Just join us on this social media war. Let us show the whole world how Iseke looks like. Maybe it will attract government to come to our aid because as it stands help is not forthcoming. The required help that we need to restore the town. Look at this road we are looking at. This is Ihiala Olu Road, the popular Ihiala Olu Road that will take you to Angara, takes you to Umuahia, takes you to where again? Akwa Ibom, takes you to Cross River. Look at it. Look at it. Just look at it. No single soul. This video is made around what is time now? This is past 2 p.m. on the 9th of July 2025. Look at everywhere is deserted. People have left the town. Look at IEDs. Look at the road. Nobody. 90% of citizens of this town to goes nowhere. Look at it. The whole shops are empty. Look at the roads. Look at people's houses. Nobody is there again. Past 2 p.m. No single soul. Ever busy road. Look at hotels. Shut down. Look at hotels. Look at filling station. Shut down. The next place we are looking at is Amudo Primary School. It's not working again. No school is working in Iseke. Who is even saying that Iseke? Yes, there must be people that are also informants and that work with these people, but exaggerating it is not acceptable. Look at the whole town. Look at a whole town. Iseke ancient kingdom. Look at the Iseke ancient kingdom. Join us in this social media war. Share this video. Share it. Let us see whose town that is better off or what. This is one of our transformers, completely vandalized. This is a federal highway. This what we are seeing is a federal highway. This road can take you to Olo, to Angara, to Umuahia, and to Akwa Ibom, to Cross River. Federal highway. No single soul is here. That is the situation. When somebody is telling you that the sponsors are in this town, you cannot see by yourself. I mean, it's okay. To make this video so that I will clarify whatever thing that anybody is saying. No single soul. Look at it, the whole shops. Yeah? Look at it. Of our road.
The first thing where I want to talk for this video now be say the Nigerian government do not want Ndi Igbo to recover. They don't want Ndi Igbo to progress. They don't want Ndi Igbo. This is what they want to see in Igboland, and waiting for their occupiers, which is the Fulani, to come in. But the question I want to ask our brother, is it actually this kind of a situation we want in our land? If you are with gun and you say you are fighting for Biafra, your duty is to make sure that your village progress. Make sure that invaders did not come to your village. But staying in nearby bush where your enemy passed to fight you and destroy and scare everybody in the village, and you are not worried. Everywhere bush have taken over our place, and you people are comfortable seeing the situation like that. Truly, you are a betrayer of your people, not a freedom fighter for your people. If you are truly freedom fighter for your people, restore the people in their homes and make sure that the bushes that are taking over your community is being cleaned. That is when people will start believing you people. But as long as you are there and people run away from their home, kidnappers are taking over the street, who are you protecting and what are you protecting? I beg, may una contribute for this matter. Share this video.